Organic, don't be pretentious. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. Don't mesh together, you know. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast.
Yeah, very interesting. What do you think? Kind of like a common theory is that like vaccines and the frequency and number of vaccines that children have.
Paradoxes are ambiguous. But depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb or pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, a contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically